power cable, adapter, device data cable, camera data cable, software and user manual in USB. Microscope objective lens, standard reflectance whiteboard, device connection port, camera interface, main power switch, built-in light source switch, power port on the back of the device. There are 2 ports. One for device, another for PC. Connect the camera cable. Connect to the computer. Connect the device power cord. Press the power button. Download Win 10 for software. Download Minas Vision and open the software. Click Dark to collect dark noise. Click Turn on to turn on the light. Place whiteboard on the stage. Adjust focal length. Adjust to the best according to the software. Click Ref. The count should between 40,000 and 60,000. Change sample. Adjust the focal length again until the picture is clear. Click Test, then get the spectrum. ATP9310 supports continuous scanning. Click the button to start collection. Click the pause to stop collection. Save operation in the upper left corner. Data can be saved automatically also.